Hello and welcome back. Vivo X Fold S, yet another foldable from a Chinese manufacturer. It is soon to be released, although the exact date is unknown. While we wait for the official launch details, we have leaks related to its specifications and its design, which I will share with you for the meantime. According to reports, other than battery and processor, rest of the specs will stay similar to Vivo X Fold, like the displays, storage, RAM, cameras, and even the design. So this seems to be an iterative upgrade. Maybe their focus is more on foldable aspects like the hinge or some other element, only time will tell. Anyways, it will still offer an efficient processor and faster and bigger battery. It will come equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, the same chipset that powers the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4. The device will also come with a slightly bigger battery, 4700 mAh and faster charging of 80 Watt. The display and camera specs are likely to remain the same. In this case, the X Fold S will sport an 8.03-inch foldable AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. There will be a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED cover display with 120Hz refresh rate as well. The device will feature a quad camera setup with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 12-megapixel telephoto camera and an 8-megapixel periscope lens. It will have a 16-megapixel front snapper. Other features of the upcoming Vivo foldable device could include stereo speakers, an under-display fingerprint reader, 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. Although this boost in specifications isn't much, it is something. If you are interested in the X Fold S, do remember that these are simply the rumored specifications of the phone. Vivo is yet to confirm the details. That said, we can expect the X Fold S to launch as early as next month. Well, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it and catch you in the next one.